Hey guys, I am super excited to be filming this video. Please excuse the bad quality of this intro. I wanted to get this video up and this is the only lighting that I currently have. So I want to show you how I came up with somewhat of a Chalk Couture Chalk Paste dupe. This stencil at the top is actually a Chalk Couture stencil, and it works amazing with the Chalk Couture stencils. I also love how I was able to get some different textures and lines and just overall quality from the chalk paste. So since you've seen that, why don't we go ahead and just jump right into the video. But first, okay, now let's go ahead and get into the video. The items I used to make this chalk paste were very basic. I used isopropyl alcohol, basic sidewalk chalk, a cheese grater, and then just little containers to store the excess chalk paste in. Of course, I also grabbed some stencils and a chalkboard surface. The very first thing we did was grated some chalk with the cheese grater. Once we had it all grated, we went ahead and poured it into our little container. Oh, yeah, that kind of seemed like it was going to be easier than it was. But of course, this is chalk powder, so once it was in the container, we just added the isopropyl alcohol and stirred it up until we had the texture and consistency that we were looking for. Initially, it did come out really chunky, so all we did there was added more of the isopropyl alcohol. This is where I realized that I added too much of the alcohol, so we just grated up some more of the chalk and poured it in there, and then voila, we had a paste-like consistency that we were going for. Now I'm just going to show you me using the paste with just a basic stencil. This is not a silkscreen stencil. This is just any old stencil that you can pick up at any craft store or at Walmart. And I just flood the stencil and then I gently kind of scrape it off. You can see where the alcohol kind of did bleed underneath the stencil, but the chalk itself did not. And I'm super excited about that. I love the texture I got on both of these parts. Here I'm just showing you that you can touch it. You can actually kind of rub it gently. My daughter's showing you that if you rub it with force, it will come off. Now here's the chalk paste. It's actually quite a few hours old. It keeps its consistency really well. To show you that, but I also wanted to show you guys me using a Chalk Couture silkscreen stencil. The chalk paste itself goes on really smoothly, and I was genuinely surprised at how well it actually worked. Here, I just want to show you that I'm rubbing it gently, and it is kind of smearing, but other than that, it's still holding up pretty well. If you found this video at all helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you guys have any questions or requests, please make sure to comment them down below and I will try to answer those as soon as I can. I want to thank you so much for watching my video, and as always, I will see you in the next.